Hello my loves, it's Kasha, Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be planning in my catch-all planner, which is Beauty in Florals Classic Size Happy Planner. It is for the week of October 17th through the 23rd. And we're going to be using the Live Love Posh Whimsical Fall sticker book. I've been saving these stickers till fall is a little deeper, so October seems like a perfect time to do this. So we're gonna go ahead and use these really stunning and beautiful fall stickers. So I'm gonna be using this as well as Mojo Jojo. So let's get started. While I do this, I wanted to say thank you. If this is your first time joining me, welcome to my channel. I hope you really like it here. If you are coming back to spend more time with me, welcome back, and I hope you enjoyed this spread as well. Thank you so much for choosing to spend more time together. So I'm gonna be pulling these brown boxes. I'm trying to see if there's any other brown that matches better, but I think this is the best one. I'm gonna go ahead and use that dark brown in here. I think those stickers are also in her neutral book, like this brown color, but my neutral book is severely used by now. So let's go ahead and add these. And I want to do something different today, so I'm going to be taking these large boxes and placing them in like a fun, whimsical way. So this should be a fairly quick plan with me, as I'm not planning to put too much. And as you guys know, I'm pretty quick in my plan with me's. I get my planner ready and I'm done. I don't really sit and design this for too long. When I sit down to planning, I already have like a vague idea of what I want to do, so I think that helps quite a bit. But I want to put them in like this is what I mean, like kind of in a whimsical overlapping way a little bit. So that's what we're gonna do. Yeah, I think that's good. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm gonna do that on the other side as well, and then we'll finish decorating. I hope you guys are having a good week. I hope everybody's well and everything's fine. And if you guys ever need to talk, you know where to find me on Instagram. You can always shoot me a message. I'm more than willing to talk, especially planners, right? Like you would think that we have so many interactions in the planner world, but I would say it's less than most people think. So, okay, let me go ahead and add one more. Especially like I don't have a single real-time friend that does planning like I do, so it's kind of difficult to find people who do this, who have the same hobby and are as passionate about it as you within like a close distance, and where your schedules actually sync up so you can sit and plan together or have fun. And especially because I film, I typically don't have like a time where I plan. Like last week I posted way less videos and my week was just so very busy, so I apologized about that. But at the same time, it's one of those things where when you're filming, you can't really be planning with other people, right? So it's a little bit different. But once in a while, I do have my me time and I plan by myself, and I really enjoy filming these because it's such a fun way to connect with all of you, and I feel like you guys are my friends, and it's kind of like a hangout session as I'm like planning and talking to you guys. So look how stunning these stickers are. Like I can't get over how beautiful these stickers are. So want to go ahead and add like another whimsical thing to this side. I think that looks good. And then maybe I can add the small leaf with branches to finish off this page. Let's see. Yep, I think that works fairly well. And then I'm gonna put this giant floral on the other side. I absolutely love these florals. Okay, let's go ahead and add checklists. So I'm gonna use the same color checklists, and I decided that I'm going to layer them on top of the boxes. Not to create an additional to-do list, but it's gonna have one of those like fun things in here. So let's see how this will look. I think that works. Yeah, I think that works actually fairly well. So let's see if I can do the rest of them. It is a little overlapped, so I'm gonna go ahead and really align it like so. What do you guys think? I hope you like it, because I really like it. Okay, there we go. And then this side, perfect. Okay, and now we can do the other side. Same thing. I think I really like this look. I've never done this before, but I think it's such a fun way of incorporating a to-do list in a planner. Let me know what you guys think, because like I said, it's a little bit different, right, than my usual Plan With Me. So I thought that could be a fun one. Okay, let's do 2 more, and then I'm gonna add the rest of the decorations. And let's see. Oh my gosh, this is not easy, you guys. To like align it so it doesn't look like it's sticking out too much. I'm gonna leave that, that's fine. And then one more. Just one more. Okay, I like the look of this. I'm leaving it be, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of this decor. So I'm gonna add another thing to like Sunday, or maybe, well, I need to add a few things to that side anyway. So let's add this boot to like right here. Look at how cute this is. Look, it's such a fall beautiful thing. Okay, now I'm gonna take all of these little things down and distribute them accordingly until I'm pretty happy with it. So I think that's good. Let's add that right there. Now add the sleeve like so. Then we have that. The books are kind of cute. Okay, I'm gonna add some leaves and branches to the right side, and we will go from there. And I think that'll be it. I'm pretty close to being done. I just want to distribute all of this and see where we are. So let's go ahead and finish up. So I'm gonna add a leaf up there. I'm gonna add a yeah, maybe like coffee or hot chocolate with books. And then let's add a branch going down, and then this, and then the 2 pumpkins, and that is all I am all done. Thank you so much for joining me for this. I hope you guys had fun. If you did, don't forget to like. If you're not already subscribed, please do so. And as always, thank you so much for joining. I hope you guys had fun. I sure did. Have a great week. Bye.